guys, I am literally so excited. Ah. So GSJJ sent me this box. I'm really excited to open it. They're basically a company with over 20 years of experience in making high quality custom products like neon signs, custom stickers, enamel pins, keychains, and more. So since I already have a neon sign right behind me, I wanted to do something different. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we'll need one of these. We're gonna be using this to unbox this box here. Cutting the tape. Oh my god! Look at this, guys. Holy, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, look. There's also a luggage tag. Wait, they gave us a luggage tag, which is really cool. Wait, this is actually really nice. I love that actually. Wow. Look at that, guys. That is actually really cool. And then also, look at the little pins. Look at the irosecorpse pins. They're so cute. Guys, look how cute they are. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Guys, I literally am so stoked right now. Look, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, we have little irosecorpse pins. Okay, that's so adorable. I'm in love. I literally am in love, guys. Look how adorable this is. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. The graphics are really nice. It's really high quality. And it also has the backing on it as well. And there will be a giveaway. We will be doing our first giveaway ever to one lucky winner. They will be getting the cutest pin on earth, which is this, of course. I literally love it, guys. Look how adorable. And also, guys, if you guys didn't know, we just launched our new merch as well. Is this amazing hoodie, guys. I literally love this hoodie so much. This is the front. It says the Rose Corpse in the front here. And on the back, this is our design. All right. So it's a light gray hoodie. And guys, I literally love this hoodie so much. I've been wearing it like every day. All right. So I hope you guys like them too. But yeah, so we'll be giving away this and the cute pin. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure you guys follow all the instructions down in the description down below. Thank you so much again, GSJJ. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.